120s to 140s.
Okay.
A good strong heartbeat. The old wise would say 130s. Maybe a boy. I don't know. Do you know what it is?
I don't know.
Big surprise.
We tried asking, but
Baby wouldn't show.
she
Some-
said you have to tell us.
Oh, maybe it's
Yeah.
in the ultrasound. Well,
Yeah.
let's see what it is. Okay, all right. Why don't you